Okay.
So yeah, what we have now?
We have zucchini.
Zucchini. Okay, great.
Some onions.
Yeah,
Maidano.
yeah. Parsley.
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Peppermint.
Peppermint. Okay.
Egg.
Yeah.
Flour.
Flour. Yeah. And you have olive oil, huh?
And we have also olive oil. Farina.
Pepper and salt.
Salt and pepper.
So we're gonna mix them all.
We're
And
going to mix them all,
prepare.
and then we'll have a Greek traditional zucchini cookies.
Okay, this is totally Greek, right?
Totally Greek.
Okay.
Mihalis will help you in
Okay.
the most nice way. We use zucchini
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
already chopping.
Okay.
Βάζουμε στο αλάτι για μία ώρα για να βγάλει όλα τα υγρά του.
Okay, we use the salt for at least an hour, so every liquid it's out.
Okay. Okay.
Onions.
Onion. Alright.
Yes.
Yeah. After onions.
Then we use some chopping feta.
Okay. Mihalis, right?
Mihalis.
He's Greek.
He's Greek.
He's the young handsome chef.
Διόσμο.
Yeah, Yosmo.
Διόσμο.
Μαϊντανό.
Maidano. With
You know what
parsley.
to do, Mihalis.
Yeah, yeah. Salt.
Salt.
Λίγο αλάτι γιατί έχουμε ρίξει αλάτι και στο κολοτό.
Not that much salt because we have already in the beginning.
Okay. Okay.
Pepper. Flour.
Flour. Okay.
And of course farina.
Farina. What's this?
It makes it more
Okay. Baking powder. It's like
yes,
baking
it's
powder.
like baking powder, something
Okay.
similar.
Yeah. Great.
Now
Then we put egg.
we put egg inside.
The egg.
And now
And then you mix it.
Mihalis starting mixing.
Okay, great.
Best chef on the Decanis, at least.
Huh?
Best chef in the Decanis.
Ah.
At least.
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday we just tasted.
Mihalis, it's your show now.
So we just fried the zucchini balls
Yes.
in olive oil.
In olive oil.
Olive oil, okay. He's doing art, huh?
He's an artist. I think every chef.
Wow. What is this?
Είναι γιαούρτι με δυόσμο.
Yosmo.
Yogurt, Diosmo,
Yeah.
Maidanos,
Okay,
some
okay.
sugar.
It's like
I
a
think
sauce.
he doesn't says everything.
Yeah, yeah. They're secret,
Yes, at least one.
as usual.
As usual.
Chefs always have secrets.
It has to be like this.
Exactly.
And
Balsamic. Flour, huh?
and now he's making a layers.
Wow.
Zucchini.
This is an apartment. Zucchini house. And
The
last
finishing touch.
Wow.
And
Oh. You can just watch it.
I can do that the whole day.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just watch
without
how
any.
it looks.
Thank you, Mihalis. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. This is
Now
great.
we
How
can
it
taste.
tastes?
We can
Taste?
taste something
Yeah.
that it's really Greek,
Yeah. Huh?
really good. Be my
Who
guest.
starts? Me or you?
I think you.
Okay. Do I
It's
have to
better.
use this? Do I have to use it?
I think
Or
no.
maybe I can go ahead.
Like this, yeah, I think it's better.
It's better go on like this. Forget
Like
about
this.
this.
Mihalis also you can do it if you want. May I do the same?
You have
Okay,
to.
You have to. We need no forks.
Oh.
Really good.
What you say? Yamas?
Yamas is
Yama.
when you're drinking, but it's the same.
Yamas.
Yamas.